stakeholders to enhance efforts aimed at mitigating the adverse effects of the coronavirus pandemic. And amid the uncertain times, stakeholders in the education sector have raised concern over the possible reopening of schools in September. The development coming as healthcare workers in Busia County downed their tools, paralyzing operations.
As the country struggles to contain the spread of coronavirus pandemic, health services at Busia Referral Hospital were Monday morning disrupted after healthcare workers suspended their services. The strike that kicked off early morning saw operations at most of the hospital's departments paralyzed, inconveniencing those who had turned up at the facility for treatment.
Kama corona iko na tumepanga foleni hivi, tunaomba ya kwamba gavana wetu ashituke tafadhali, aone wananchi wa Busia mateso yenye tunapitia. Kama mtu ni mgonjwa saizi, watu wako hospitali wameoperatiwa, hakika awe na roho ya utu, akae chini na Ministry of Health waongee, wasikizane tafadhali, sisi tusaidike.
Leaders, parents and education stakeholders are expressing their opposition to the government's plan to reopen schools across the country in September this year. Those opposed to the plan say most learning institutions do not have the capacity to maintain social distance and force the wearing of masks among staff and learners, as well as maintain up-to-standard hygiene measures. Thika Town Member of Parliament Patrick Wanaina urging the government to instead consider reopening schools in January next year.
I'm calling the Minister of Education to kindly delay the opening of schools up to January 2021 until we see the pattern of corona.
In the meantime, Association of Churches in Roysambu, led by their chair, Pastor Joshua Thomas, has raised concern over the handling of COVID-19 patients by medics. The group says while executing their duties, health workers have in the process instilled fear in the society, something that has increased stigmatization to patients.
Sisi kama wachungaji, tumeangalia watu wanagonjeka katika manyumba zao, wanaumia, au wanaogopa kwenda hospitali. Tafadhali, hili ambalo mgonjwa wa corona anapokujiwa Roysambu ama mahali pengine, isiwe ni kama ni vita. Wacha hii kitu iwe na utaratibu, diposa watu hata wakubali kupimwa.
Finally, a team of well-wishers from Turkana County has launched a program that seeks to feed street families and children roaming within Lodwar town during the COVID-19 pandemic period. About 300 families and children received sanitizers, masks and food items as part of ongoing efforts to cushion vulnerable communities from the adverse effects of COVID-19.
Na tumefurahi kwa sababu hao watoto wale wamekuwa hapa siku ya leo, wamekula, wameshiba, na tumewahamasisha zaidi kuhusu ugonjwa wa coronavirus.
Beatrice Gatonyangetich, Channel 1 News.